I haven't cut my own hair for around 10 years. This is pretty kind of basic what I do. So for the back, I just take my finger, put it at the base of my skull, and take my trimmer and go right underneath my finger, like that. And then for the hair on the side, I just put my head sideways like that, and I can see which hairs are sticking out more, and so I just cut it like that. So I make it like even on the side. And there, I got some trimmed up there. And then for the front, is what I see them do in the hair cutting places. I just put the hair down like that and then go right across from my eyes like that. So that's the front, the sides, and of course I do the other side the same way, and the back. And so that's all there is to it. I think my hair looks good enough.